like it. Okay, ready? Hey, we are so excited to welcome you back to Spilling the Tea. I'm Kate.
And I'm Megan.
And we are Wildly Digital. This is our first video in a little while, and there's definitely a reason why we haven't posted a Spilling the Tea in a bit. We've definitely been working super hard behind the scenes. Meg, how about you tell them what we've been up to?
We have been practicing what we preach and taking our business to whole new levels.
Yeah, we've been working on loads of new content. We have been really, like Meg said, practicing what we preach with self-care, practicing the whole mindset stuff because, business is all about the mindset. Working with some new clients and working really closely with a lot of our existing clients that we had previously before the world turned upside down. So it's been a great adventure, and we're super excited to get back into giving you all this great content. Here at Wildly Digital, we break it down in 4 steps. And today we want to talk to you about the building stage. This part is so exciting. It really gets you diving right into your business. One thing we do is look at our clients' slow time. So figuring out when that slow time is going to help us kind of get that background where it's going to be great to get your shit done. And that's working on that back end and building it up. We're going to talk to you today about 3 things that you can build within your business from home, from the cottage, by the pool, or on your boat. Meg, what are the 3 things?
The first one is using your funnel. Do you have a funnel? Do you even know what a funnel is? Some people also call it a flywheel. Have I kicked your brain into gear yet a little? Anywho, a funnel is what you use in your business to migrate someone from awareness to interest to making a decision to buying from you. So pretty much how you get them to notice you all the way through to buying from you. There are lots of funnels in your business. The most important one is the one that generates business for you. So why are funnels important? Because a funnel is what gets someone to get to know you all the way through from referring you to somebody else. So here at Wildly Digital, we help businesses build funnels and teach them how to integrate those into their business and their processes. Number 2, finding ways to hold yourself accountable. We all know that one of the biggest struggles of being an entrepreneur or a solopreneur or running your own show or being a CEO or any of that is that who's holding you accountable? You. So that's something else that is a great thing to do on a slower time is find new tools or tweak the tools that you're already using for your accountability. What are those systems and processes that help you be accountable every day? One of the things we work on with clients is a process that's unique to Wildly Digital and from what we've seen is not offered anywhere else, and that's our ideal management. So that is building ideal days, ideal months, and ideal years that you follow for your business. Finally is number 3, working on your processes. So the first 2 lead into this third one because everything goes back to your process. Your process for gaining clients, your process for delivering your service, your process for building your product. There's always a process, and there's always little leaks in your process. It's kind of like a pipe. If there's a hole in a pipe, which is kind of like your process, that pipeline that gets you to your goals, if there's a leak in it, you're losing people or things or water or whatever it is through that hole every time you complete that process. So spending some time tweaking those processes, double checking with clients or customers that you already have about how you can improve, gaining feedback, those are all great tools to help optimize your process. Some real world examples would be looking at how you've done in the first few quarters of your year or looking at previous years, previous months, and finding where you've lost money, lost time, or lost effort, and finding ways to fine tune those processes. And finding out why you were losing those things. Usually that has to do with something in your process. Another thing would be taking a look at your customer service and how you can retain more of your customers. How can you keep your people longer?
Meg, that was a lot of great info, and we really hope that you were able to take out a little bit of gold from that to put into your business. Again, we are so excited to be bringing you all of this great content again, giving you all these little tidbits from behind the scenes to help you really build your business. We are soon going to be able to have this up on a podcast, so if YouTube is not your thing, you'll be able to listen to it audio anywhere you want, in your car, on the beach, even just,
In your boat.
Oh, your boat. Can't forget that. Boat. Yes. Everybody needs a boat. Oh, so good.
Obviously, we're boat people.
It's the goal. It's a goal. It's there.
So if you're feeling like you don't know what to do with your downtime, if you're not sure why you're doing what you're doing anymore, or you've lost that passion, come talk to us. We'd be happy to chat with you. You can give us a call, follow us on socials at Wiley Digital Co. Or you can click on the link below and that will take you to a form where you can tell us all about the problems in your business and we'll contact you to find a solution. Well, thanks for watching us back here on Spillin' the Tea. If you liked this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more information like this. We will be putting these videos out regularly, or like Kate said, join our podcast where you can listen to this wherever you are. Bye!
Bye!